Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn on and off the screensaver in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first, open Settings, and here now scroll down till you see Display. Here in Display, scroll almost all the way down so that you can see Screensaver. Tap that, and to enable, select any of these options: Photos, Photo Table, Photo Frame, Device Control, Colors. If we tap Colors, this is the preview of our screensaver. If we select Photo Frame Preview, this is the preview. These are my photos. Using this gear icon, we can select which photos we want to have on our screensaver. The same with the photo frame table, and photos are somehow different because here we have general, only use Wi-Fi for data, photos full screen, animated zoom effect, and albums. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.